Assalamu alaikum friends. There is a rainy season in Karachi. It's rain every day. And we really like rain and enjoy a lot. Rain is such a blessing for all of us.
Rain, go away. The government cannot rain, go away. Little Minahil wants to play. Rain, go away.
There is so much smell in our street because of goats and cows. So we decided to go on the roof to enjoy the rain. See, we are splashing. Wow, lovely rain.
Hello.
See, it's raining outside. Ooh. We are enjoying. Oh, so many water. Thanks to Allah because of so much rain, but there is no water standing in our area. And in Karachi, there are so many areas that are full of water and cars are swimming. After enjoying and playing so much, we want to eat something yummy. And we go to the food street. You all know that my favorite food is biryani. I love this biryani and there are little bit spices in this biryani. So Minahil, eat less and drink more water. Now in rainy season, if you will not eat ice cream, then you didn't enjoy rain. So we ordered special gola ganda. Uncle is making gola ganda for me. Now the green flavor red flavor. And now more. Wow, I think it is a very big gola ganda. I want to eat it. I can't wait. Now he's again adding all the colors. And then he will add some chocolate and then sprinkle.
चॉकलेट डाल दो आपको.
And now the chocolate. And now the caramel. And now some sprinkles. I like sprinkles. See, it's looking so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Now the sprinkles. Now I take it and I'm very happy. I can't wait. I want to eat it. We first time eat this gola ganda instead of ice cream. We every day eat ice cream, but now we are eating gola ganda. Believe me, it's yummy, delicious. Let's meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Enjoy the rain. Bye.